Hello, everybody. I'm doing a quick review of the Todd McFarlane 1989 Batmobile. And as you can see here, I installed the CAG set, which does not come with the McFarlane Batmobile. I had to buy that separately for about $20, and I think shipping was 10, so all in all, it's like 30 bucks. So, yeah. And the canopy looks nice, better than this piece of crap right here, which I still have, but I'll get rid of it eventually, maybe soon, after this video. But yeah, this thing's a piece of fucking crap. It's too tall and, well, it doesn't look right. It's not accurate, so, I got this new and improved canopy, which I could open. Hold on, let me find the button here. There we go. See, Batman's already in there. He does fit, but you have to tilt him in order to get him in there. But yeah, and it's the 1989 version, not the Flash version. See, unlike the other buyers, I waited a little longer to get my Batmobile, and so yeah, it has that matte finish instead of the glossiness. So I'm very lucky that I've waited just to get this version of the Batmobile with that version of Batman, because honestly, I did not like the new look to the Flash's Batman. I just like this version and this one only. So yeah, I am very fortunate to have that. And as you can see, it has its those gas things that I just installed there not a while ago, but a few days ago. And I also installed the guns, but it could be easily removed, which I'll demonstrate. Hang on. See how that canopy looks? Like, wow. Barely any gap. Like, yeah, it fits. At least from how I'm able to see it. But yeah. Anyways, see, easy to remove. One thing I want to point out though is that one of the pieces is a little loose, and that's the bullets. Hold on. See, it just came off. This one right here stays fine, but I have no idea what is up with this other one. But other than that, I love the CAG set, and this is from Ramen Toys, which I purchased from a while ago. So yeah, and that's another thing. I do mean a while. I've ordered this back in April, and it took until July for me to get it and then install the canopy. You see? But other than that, my Batman 1989 Batmobile looks fantastic, and I am very happy that I've purchased this and owned this. And as you can tell, I'm not using my voice changer. It's a lot of hard work just to get rid of the awkward silences in between the the voice recording. So yeah, I just figured it's much better just to talk from the hip and explain to you what I have. So there you go. Be sure to like, favorite, share, and subscribe. And until next time, damn, I haven't done this in a while. What did I say? Oh yeah, stay tuned for more truth, logic, and common sense. Yeah. Like I said, it's been a while. Anyways, see ya guys.